Alright guys, so at now, matter keep arising whereby the Cbex trading platform actually frees almost everyone account right here. So I'm going to be talking about this particular one briefly. What does it actually mean? Does it mean Cbex are totally gone, or what should we be expecting? So these are the things I'm going to cover in this particular video right here. But before we go ahead, remember this is not a financial advice anyway. It's for information and entertainment purpose only. So do well to make your own further research before you eventually jump into anything and make conclusion. So at the end, if you have something to say, just go to the comment section. Just be free to drop your opinion right here. Just remember to make it friendly. So let's move back to our discussion right here, which is the Cbex trading platform freezing a lot of accounts right here. So you can notice once you go to your account, you are going to see that the account has been freezed, and a lot of people have been. You actually feel it is yours. Maybe someone is actually trying to hack your account to withdraw. Then you are going to notice that when you see from other people on the group, you see many people actually having the same problem right there. So what does that actually imply? So let me break this down, and from what I actually saw and what I think this is actually implying right here. So from the withdrawal, the freeze actually do happen in exchange. You know, when you want to withdraw, when you go to exchange, when you transfer from trading to exchange, then when you press the withdrawal, it will be on freeze for the queue before the stuff actually leave freeze and come to your wallet right here. So now that it is actually on freeze, so now we're having a freeze from trading, and which this has never happened before. So it is something we need to be panicked about a little. But in this particular video, right, by the end of this video, I'm going to tell you one or two things that you need to know and to just put your mind at rest right here, because I said in my last comment, I said it is not over until it is over. So we are still going to be checking on updates and everything else. So immediately I went to the group and I went to check what is actually happening on the group right here. So currently on the group, I actually saw okay, this particular time I'm making this particular video, I think this is the time they are bringing the bonus for new referrals that they actually brought into the platform and giving their code and every other stuff, and they logged the group. This actually started for us. So it means the activities is actually still going on this particular platform, which means the activities is actually still going on right there, and the CEO are now actually getting freak about what is actually going on. They're just updating, and things are actually going. So what do I actually think about this particular updates right here? So my conclusion right here is actually now, I'm thinking maybe they are trying, I'm not trying to be positive, maybe they are trying to avoid, because tomorrow is the deadline, tomorrow is the last day, April 15, that this is actually going to be open for many people to actually withdraw. And they're actually pleading for people not to withdraw, for the market not to go spoiled, that they have to trade their bonus 2x for 7 days or so before they can actually go ahead to withdraw. And I know once tomorrow actually comes, which is April 15, many people are actually going to place withdrawal based on panic level. And this is actually, I'm thinking, maybe this is one of the reasons why they actually locked everything in freeze. You know, when it's on freeze, you'll not be able to transfer to exchange, not talk of withdrawing. And they actually talk about that a lot of their customer care is actually going to be having a lot of busy day, because many people are actually going to be requesting for withdrawal. So they said many people should not request for withdrawal at the same time right here. So what do you actually think about this? Because for me, I'm currently thinking, okay, I'm trying to be positive. Then I'm kind of thinking that the reason why they actually freeze the account currently is just because they actually don't want many people to withdraw at the same time. So did they actually freeze your own account? Let me know at the comment section of this particular video. And concerning the updates about the Pixel, WW Coin and some other project right here, I've been seeing updates also from them, and Cbex also actually talking about it, that they are kind of not really legit to the way they are looking at it. They are copycat right here. And obviously, if you check out the platform, you are going to see that we knew Cbex first, and most of them are copycat of Cbex right here. So they are also still bringing up people that are actually on the platform, as currently saying right here that they can currently withdraw at this particular moment, which means what actually happened to Cbex is affecting them right here. And a lot is actually happening right here. So I'm going to be making more further updates, and the way I actually see things going, I'm going to be keeping you updated right here. So for you to be updated and for you to get more information, just do well to stay tuned to the account, stay tuned to this particular channel, stay subscribed, and I will keep making more further video for you. So before then, make sure you invest wisely. For now, you can actually just reduce and do not jump into bringing people in for now. Let's observe this for a few weeks and let's see what is going to happen right here. So thanks so much for watching this particular video, and I'll see you in my next videos. Do well to enjoy your day. Please do not mind the background noise. I'm going to work on that in my next video.